Welcome to this recipe redo from 2011. No pictures, no recipe card, and honestly, not a very well organized recipe. So we went back and made it just to test it to see if it was still delicious, my falafel wraps, and spoiler, it is. You start by sauteing some veggies, get our chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice in the food processor so that it can get all smooth. Then we mix the falafel ingredients together, those sauteed veggies, some garlic, seasonings, oat flour, a little bit of egg white to help it stay together, form it into patties, get them all crispy and toasted up on a pan. And while they're cooking, we're gonna make our sauce, which is super simple. It's yogurt, goat cheese, and then we added in some freeze-dried chives. We spread that goodness on a tortilla, add some veggies, our falafel, wrap it up, and then nom.